In this video lecture, we'll be building our very first Python program using the Python shell. Okay, in the previous lecture, I taught you the download and installation of Python shell in your own system, and I believe you already have that at the moment. So let's quickly go ahead and look at the overview of Python shell. Okay, so this is the Python shell, and I believe this is what you have. And in the later, as we move on into the course, I'm going to teach you how to download PyCharm. So that is the professional IDE for programming Python. So this is for absolute beginners who are just starting Python programming. So, and this one else, I'm going to show you how to use that. So you don't need to freak out. I'm going to take everything step by step. All right. So first of all, the time you downloaded this, you will see that the characters you have here are really very tiny. So what you need to do right now is move your mouse to options and click on configure idle. Okay, so here you can see size. You can increase this to any font size of your own choice, and once you do that, let's say this might be 13 because currently I don't know if it is 12 or what. So this is 14. I can go ahead and hit on apply and click OK. So the reason why I increase this is because I am making this video lecture and I want you to see everything that I'm doing here. All right, so in your own, you don't need to do that. Just go ahead and follow me step by step. So as a developer, the first thing you need to write is hello world. So hello world in Python, you don't need to go ahead and start putting semicolon at the end. Go ahead and hit enter, and this says invalid syntax. Do you know why? Because you didn't put print, and inside here, go ahead and put hello world and hit enter, and you can see that hello world printed out for you. So you might ask me, why didn't you put a semicolon at the end of this? Unlike Java programming, C programming, C#, and C++, and some other programming languages you've ever known, in Python, it is absolutely not the same. So Python is very easy to follow, and you are going to learn a lot, and you are going to write some bunch of code that is very simple, but do marvelous job that you're really going to appreciate at the end of this course. So you've succeeded in writing your very first program, and that is hello world using the Python shell. So let me go ahead and open this, and we're going to do exactly just the same thing using this idle here. So go ahead and type print hello world and go ahead and hit enter, and that is hello world. And another person can come up and just say print hello world. Okay, the difference between these two is double quote and the single quotation, and you can see that it's being printed out for us. But I'm going to still teach you about Python syntax, so you're going to learn about that. So this is all about writing your very first program in Python as a beginner, and I believe you can go ahead and do that, and I'll show you you're going to get a very positive result at the end. Then in the next video lecture, we'll go ahead and dive in deep. We're going to dive in deep into learning Python. So if you have any question under this video lecture, please try to use the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.